Good morning, class. I just wanted to reach out again this week and touch base with you regarding the project. I hope you are all doing well and you were able to work together on constructing the heat map for this project. So um, please continue to work on that if you're able to get together on campus or virtually, whatever works best for you. Please collaborate, construct the heat map because what we'll be doing is in the next week or two, we will be presenting the information to the United Way. So please work diligently to construct the heat map. Again, if you have questions about that, I have provided the resources available. There are a couple of videos. There's also more videos online. If you're not, um, if you don't like the videos that I've presented, please feel free to Google other videos on how to construct heat maps. There are plenty of resources out there. So if you have any questions, please reach out to me. We can set up a Zoom meeting. If you are on campus, feel free to set up a meeting on Starfish and we can meet in person as well. So again, just keep working hard on that and we will go ahead and move forward and be ready to present what we have for the United Way. And I will present more information here in the next week or so. So I hope you're all having a great week and keep moving forward. You're doing great. Thanks. Have a great day.